Hello everyone, I am Mukesh Srivastava. I teach mathematics subject in main branch Asian College School, Rampur, Nepal. In last video, I had discussed about fraction. So I am going to continue fraction and types of fraction. There are 8 types of fraction. First one is proper fraction, improper fraction, third mixed fraction, fourth like fraction, fifth unlike fraction, sixth unit fraction, seven decimal fraction, and eight vulgar fraction. I am going to define one by one proper fraction. But before discussing types of fraction, I want to define once again fraction. A number is in the form of a upon b. A number is in the form of a upon b, where numerator portion and denominator portion are whole numbers. But there is a condition: denominator portion b must not be equal to 0. Then this type of number is called fraction. Like that. 3/5 is a fraction because both portion numerator and denominator both are whole numbers. 12/7 is written in the form of a upon b. Both numerator portion and denominator portion are whole number. So 12/7 is fraction. 0/5 is also called fraction because 0 and 5 both are whole numbers. But 5/0, 17/0, 12/0, these types of fraction are not, these types of number are not fraction because according to definition of fraction, denominator portion must not be equal to 0. Okay? 5/0, 17/0 and 12/0 etc. These type of numbers are not fraction because according to definition of fraction, denominator portion must not be equal to 0. Now I will define types of fraction one by one. First one is proper fraction. A fraction whose denominator is a fraction whose denominator is less than numerator is called proper fraction. As 3/5. 3/5 is a proper fraction. 3/5 is a proper fraction because numerator portion 3 is less than denominator portion 5. So this is called proper fraction. Once again I am repeating, a fraction whose numerator portion is less than denominator portion is called proper fraction. As 3/5 is a fraction, proper fraction because numerator portion 3 is less than denominator portion 5. Second example, 4/9 is also proper fraction because numerator portion 4 is less than denominator portion 9. So these are proper fraction. Okay. Now improper. Second, improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is equal to or greater than denominator. Once again I am repeating, a fraction whose numerator is equal to or greater than denominator called improper fraction. As 12/7 is the improper fraction because in this fraction numerator percent 12 is greater than denominator percent 7. Second example, 18 upon 6. This fraction is also called improper fraction because numerator percent 18 is greater than denominator percent 6. 13 upon 13. It is also called improper fraction because numerator percent 13 is equal to denominator percent 13. Okay? Now, mixed fraction. A combination of whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Once again, a combination of whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Like 3, 4 upon 5. 3 is the whole number. Okay? Here 4 upon 5 is the proper fraction because in this fraction numerator is less than denominator. So this is proper fraction. 3 is the whole number. 3 is the whole number and 4 upon 5 is proper fraction. So combination of this whole number and this proper fraction is known as mixed fraction. Once again I am repeating, combination of whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. The 3 whole 4 upon 5 is the mixed fraction. Again 2 whole 3 upon 7 is also mixed fraction because 2 is the whole number and 3 upon 7 is the proper fraction. This is a combination of whole number 2 and proper fraction 3 upon 7. So 2 whole 3 upon 7 is called mixed fraction. Mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction, and improper fraction can be converted to mixed fraction. Now, like fraction. A group of fractions whose denominators are same means like is called like fraction. Once again, a group of those fractions whose denominators are same means like, then that group of fractions is called like fraction. Like that, 3 upon 5, 7 upon 5, 12 upon 5, 19 upon 5. This is the group of fractions. Okay? Here you see that this is group of fractions, those fractions whose denominators are same. In this section, denominator is 5. In this section, denominator is also 5. In this section, denominator is also 5. In this section, denominator is also 5. Here you see that group of these fractions whose denominators are same. So this group is called like fraction. Second group, 4 upon 7, 12 upon 7, 13 upon 7, 21 upon 7. This group is also called like fraction because a group of all the fractions, a group of denominators of all the fractions are same. Okay, so this group are like fraction. Now, unlike fraction. Next, unlike fraction. A group of those fractions whose denominators are different means unlike, then that group is called unlike fraction. Like that, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 17 upon 7. This group is called unlike fraction. because group of denominator of all these fractions are different. Because here we see that in this fraction denominator is 2, in this fraction denominator is 7, in this fraction denominator is 7, in this fraction denominator is 5. Denominator is 5. So here you see that there are different denominators. Okay, so this group is called unlike fraction. Now, unit fraction. The simple definition: a fraction whose numerator is 1. A fraction whose numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. Like as 1 upon 20, 1 upon 17, 1 upon 25, 1 upon 20 is unit fraction because numerator is 1. 1 upon 17 is unit fraction because numerator is 1. 1 upon 25 is also a unit fraction because numerator is 1. Now decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominators are 10 or 10 or power of 10 is called decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is 10 or power of 10 is called decimal fraction. Power of 10 means 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, means 10 power 2 is 100, 10 power 3 is 1000, 10 power 4 is 10,000. As 3 upon 10 is a decimal fraction because the numerator of this fraction is 10. 17 upon 100 is also decimal fraction because the numerator of this fraction is power of 10. Means you can write 100 in this part, 10 to the power 2. Okay. 19 upon 1000, it is also decimal fraction because the numerator of this fraction is power of 10, means 10 to the power 3 means 1000. Okay. These types of fraction is known as decimal fraction. Now vulgar fraction. A fraction whose denominator is all the number except 10 or power of 10. 3 upon 25 is the vulgar fraction because denominator of this fraction is not 10 or power of 10. Okay? 3 upon 10 is not vulgar fraction because the denominator of this fraction is 10. Okay? 17 upon 100 is not vulgar fraction because the denominator of this fraction is 100. Okay? Means for the vulgar fraction, the denominator portion must not be equal to 10 or power of 10. Means must not be equal to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, on vulgar fraction. Okay, once again I am repeating. Vulgar fraction means a fraction whose denominator is all the number except 10 or power of 10. Okay, completed your fraction and fraction. Thank you.